Hi, Carol Stanton here. Welcome to our Natural Health and Wellness channel at Nature's Wisdom on YouTube. Today I'd like to share with you some information about myself. I'm going to start with what I'm currently doing and talk to you about what I've done in the past. I own a wellness center, Nature's Wisdom Wellness Association. My website is natureswisdomwellness.com. In 2006, I earned my degree in traditional naturopathy. Around that same time, I also became a certified reflexologist, certified in the Ingram method of reflexology. A little bit before that, I had become a personal trainer and enjoyed helping people to get their bodies in shape. Before that, in 1998, I became a registered nurse, and I worked for 2 local hospitals, and I also worked for visiting nurse. But my favorite job as a registered nurse was teaching at a local community college. I taught a certified nurse's aide course and enjoyed so many students over the years that I was there. While I was there, I also had been working on my degree, my bachelor's degree in natural health, and I taught some classes on detoxification and different natural health topics. I have 2 children and currently 2 grandchildren, and they are the joy of my life. I love boating, traveling, organic gardening, crocheting, and sewing. Thanks for tuning in.